And right where I've put my thumb is where I'm going to use a pair of scissors to cut it. It's wise to cut it from the outside, not from the inside. Yeah, from the outside, so that there can't be any kind of distraction. So that's what I'm going to do. And then also take the second one, because obviously they need to be equal. Then that is what I will be doing, just to make sure that they are of the same length. So I hope you can be able to see. Just match the two of them. I'm cutting this one. Yeah, now I'm done. Well, the first part, not the whole part actually. So what I need to do is make sure that your pair of, what is this, tweezers, your tweezers is clean, because if it's not clean, it's going to do what, to cause some damage on your eyelashes. For instance, if it has some glue right here, it's not gonna be really good. So what I need to do right now is to take my glue and then apply it on the lashes. I've used this glue before, so please don't worry. Just a little, not too much. A little. Then let me take the other pair. Yeah. So what you have to do is you have to wait a little bit for the glue to kind of dry up. So I'm using the air, of course, to dry it up. So yeah, that is how you can do it. Not to dry up that much, but a little bit actually. So I still remember that I said I'm going to start this side. Well, you can start any side that you want, it's just fine by you, depending on which hand feels good by you. So you have to take this tweezers, and then you're not going to attach it right where you attached your glue, no, because it's going to be sticky and mess up your eyelashes. Instead, right at the center of your eyelashes, that is what you will be doing, just like this. And then ready to do the things that need to be done. So that's what I'm gonna do, ladies. I need to like to put it over my natural lashes. You're not going to put it below, it's not like that, it's not done like that, but above actually. So I don't need to like obstruct the view actually. Let me do this. Actually, this glue seems like it's now dry. Can I just try to reapply it? Applied too much. So it's not really stuck, then what I have to do is ensure that it's really stuck. And then yes, of course, you're going to be using your hand to like make sure that it's stuck.
Just like the wind, she slipped. Just like the wind, she slipped through my fingers. Yeah, just like the earth beneath fell away, and this blinding flash of memories played me.
And then I have to take my mascara just to ensure that I cannot blend the natural lashes with the false lashes, because I'm done right now. So let me do that. I'm done. I hope you saw how easy it was, how quick it was, ladies. We just don't need to be on lashes only when we need to go somewhere. Even when it's locked out, we still can do the same. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Until we meet again next time, thank you. I love you.